Yuli, my younger sister is going to junior high school, and now we are busy looking for apartments located near key high schools. I went to real estate agents today. The commission is pretty high and the listing is short. Do you have any suggestions?
You may check out Sony application.
What? I know Sunny sells electronic appliances. Is it doing real estimate?
No, it helps the owner to sell house online. Let me show you. It is like Taobao for real estate industry. Here are more houses, more information. If you are interested in an apartment, you may contact the owner directly. You can save a lot on commission. This is the C2C e-commerce model, in which the sellers make more money and the buyers pay less.
Wow, that's amazing. This really helped me a lot. What is the C2C e-commerce model?
Let's listen to the teacher.
Love life, love e-commerce. Hello students, welcome to the e-commerce class. In this unit, I will introduce B2C e-commerce model. First, let's look at the agenda. In this session, we will discuss the concept, the type, the revenue, and the trend of C2C e-commerce. First, let's look at the concept of C2C e-commerce model. C2C represents a market environment where one consumer purchases goods from another consumer using a third-party platform to facilitate the transaction. The Suning Youfang mentioned by the students before the classes in the C2C e-commerce model that the owner directly deals with the buyers. What's the types of C2C e-commerce? There are three types. The first one is online auction. In this type, there are five subtypes. The first one is a fixed price. The sellers set a fixed price of the good, and the buyers buy the product at a fixed price or abandon the transaction. Most of the C2C websites in China use the fixed price. The second one is the reverse auction. Reverse auction are where the role of buyers and sellers are reversed. Multiple sellers compete to abandon the buyer's business. Price typically decrease over time as the new offers are made. They don't follow the typical auction format in that buyers can see all the offers and may choose which one they could prefer. Reverse auction brings the buyers and the sellers together in a transparent marketplace. The third one is the online English auction. English auction are where bids are announced by either an auctioneer or by bidders. The winners pay what they bid to receive the object. English auction are claimed to be the most common form of the third-party online auction format used. The common operational method of the format is that it's an ascending bid auction in which bids are often open to all to see. The winner is the highest bidder, and the price the highest bid. The fourth one is the online Dutch auction. Dutch auctions are reverse of English auctions, whereby the price begins high and systematically lower until a buyer accepts the price. The fourth one is the weekly auction. Weekly auction, sometimes known as a second price sealed by the auction, uses very much the same principle as the first price sealed bid. However, the highest bidder and the winner will only pay what the second highest bidder had bid. The last one is group buying. The more people buy, the lower the price. When the number of bidders increase, the price of the item will decrease. The second type is the third-party trading platform. In an independent third-party platform, such as Taobao, The third tab is classified advertising. Classified advertising is a collection of many information. Next, what are the avenue of C2C e-commerce? The most common is the membership fee. C2C website charges a certain fee for the registered members, which is used to provide members with online shop rental, company certifications, and other services. Secondly, the transaction commissions. The C2C platform charges a certain proportion of fees according to the transaction amount. The third one is the online advertising. C2C platform can sell advertising space to enterprises to obtain the revenue, such as advertising on the Taobao's homepage. The last one is the value-added service. For example, keyword ranking, sales data analysis service. Finally, let's discuss the development trend of C2C e-commerce. The first trend is that C2C and B2C will coexist for a long time. In 2018, the sales of C2C account for nearly 40% of the retail e-commerce, while the sales of B2C account for nearly 60%. But the second trend is that B2C will replace C2C in the future. With the growing of the e-commerce, B2C has more obviously advantage in product and service quality. As a result, the conversion rate of B2C will gradually increase. Okay, that's all for the C2C e-commerce model. Thank you for listening.